Welcome to the PANELMATIC Operating Modes video series. In this video, we will cover Operating Mode 2, Float Drainage Mode. We'll see how to install it, how to configure it, and how it works in its most complex setup. 2 pumps, independent float switches for start and stop on each one, an overflow alarm float, and a minimum level float for lockout. For reduced versions or easy models, the procedure may vary slightly. Let's begin with the installation. The start and stop floats, as well as the overflow float and the minimum float, are connected to the concentrator board through the labeled terminal blocks. Each float occupies one digital input. The alarm relay is also connected here, which can activate a siren, a warning light, or send a remote signal. The first step is to configure the nominal current on both pumps. Press and hold button A for 3 seconds and, using the arrows, set the current. Confirm with Enter. Repeat the same procedure with the other pump. Press A for 3 seconds, configure the same current, and confirm with Enter. Next, on the main pump, we configure the voltage. Press and hold button V for 3 seconds. It can be set to 220, 230, 380, or 400 volts. Let's return to 220 volts and confirm with Enter. After that, we must configure the operating mode, but only on the master unit. The other remains locked. Press and hold the settings key for 3 seconds. The options are MF1, MF2, MF3, MF4, and MF5. In this video, we'll be using MF2. Confirm with Enter. Confirm RS0, since we do not want to restore factory settings, and then start the system by pressing Start-Stop. We also have an advanced menu where multiple parameters can be configured. It is accessed by pressing the menu and Enter keys simultaneously for 3 seconds. In this menu, for example, we can configure the number of pumps, changing from P01 to P02, since this is a 2-pump system. For the rest of the parameters, please refer to the instruction manual available via the QR code, which can also be found on the product packaging. This system is designed to keep the water level within a safe range. When the water level rises, Pump 1 activates first. On the display, we see a segment light up and a yellow LED starts flashing. If the level continues to rise, Pump 2 is activated. On the second display, which controls Pump 2, the segment also lights up and the yellow LED flashes. If the water level exceeds the maximum, the overflow alarm float is triggered and sends an alarm signal, A20. As the level drops, the pumps stop in reverse order. Finally, if a float gets stuck or water is missing, the minimum level float is activated, sending an alarm, A21, and stopping the active pumps. If any of the start floats were to get stuck, the overflow alarm float would also activate the pumps. And if the minimum float got stuck, there is still the electronic dry run protection, A01, which we activated when configuring the nominal current. Remember that in this mode, in addition to the alarms already mentioned, the following alarms are also available: a 02, overcurrent, a 03, pump disconnection, a 08, overvoltage, a 09, undervoltage, a 27, short circuit, phase loss. This has been the complete operation of float drainage mode with 2 pumps. In upcoming videos, we will cover other working modes available in our electronic control panels. For more technical information, visit our website or contact our technical support team. Thank you for your attention from all of us at the Coelbo team.